Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw Stellar from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Stellar tokens smoothly and securely. Whether you're building your portfolio or cashing out, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Robinhood account with Stellar in your portfolio and a Phantom wallet already created and linked to your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for assets like Stellar, so double-check that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app or website and log in. Head over to your portfolio section, where you'll see your holdings. Locate your Stellar tokens. That's the XLM cryptocurrency we're working with. Next, select your Stellar balance and look for the withdraw or transfer option. Robinhood might have some new features in 2025, like enhanced security prompts, so follow any on-screen instructions carefully. You'll be prompted to enter a withdrawal address. Now, switch to your Phantom Wallet app. Generate or copy your Stellar receiving address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so don't mix it up with other crypto addresses. Paste this address into the Robinhood withdrawal form, then enter the amount of Stellar you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those to avoid surprises. Hit confirm on Robinhood, and you'll get a final verification screen. Double-check everything to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, usually within minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, head back to Phantom Wallet to confirm the deposit. You should see your Stellar tokens appear in your balance. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your assets. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to handle your Stellar in 2025. If you run into any issues, always reach out to Robinhood or Phantom support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.